Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share my daily routine in simple English. You can listen, repeat, and practice speaking. Are you ready? Let's begin. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I open my eyes slowly and stretch my arms. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I take a quick shower. I feel fresh and ready to start my day. Next, I make a cup of coffee. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. I drink my coffee and check my phone. I read the news and reply to messages. Then, I prepare my breakfast. For breakfast, I usually eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I eat fruit like bananas or apples. After eating, I clean the dishes. Then, I get dressed for the day. I usually wear something simple and comfortable. At 9 a.m., I start working. I turn on my laptop and check my emails. Then I make a to-do list. I work for a few hours. I try to stay focused and avoid distractions. Around 12:30 p.m., I take a break. I stand up, stretch, and drink some water. Then I make lunch. For lunch, I often eat rice, vegetables, and chicken. Sometimes I order food online. After lunch, I relax for a bit. I watch a short video or listen to music. At 2 p.m., I go back to work. I have meetings or finish my tasks. If I finish early, I read a book or study something new. Sometimes I practice speaking English too. Around 6 p.m., I finish work. I go for a walk outside. It helps me relax and clear my mind. Then I come back home and take a shower. At 7 p.m., I make dinner. I like simple meals like pasta or soup. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Then I watch a movie or talk to my friends. At 9 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I wash my face and brush my teeth again. Then I write in my journal. I write 3 good things that happened today. Before sleeping, I turn off the lights. I take a deep breath and relax. I say, "Thank you for today." Then, I close my eyes and go to sleep. Thank you for watching my daily routine. If you want to learn English every day, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what time do you wake up? Let's practice together. See you in the next video.
Bye.